It's fine.
It's XS.
XS. Okay, so we're going to fix the XS phone. So we got some tools, and we have the battery here. So the first thing we have to do is open the back of the phone. So I'm just gonna get some of these tools here. And if you can see here, there's two little screws at the very bottom. So we had to remove those two screws. So now what we have to do is remove the screen. So to remove the screen, they give you this suction cup. Okay, so you can attach and what you want to do is around the screen, they also give you this little card, but we want to remove the screen by pulling up gently. And if you also have fingernails, you can kind of pry this open.
But I watch it with like English dubbing.
So you can understand Russian?
Like some extent, like, but it's maybe 20%, 25%, but not much than that.
Okay, you get that in frame, yeah?
Yes, it's in the frame right now. Yeah. Yes, I went to sleep like 1 a.m.
Oh dear.
And I
a
regret
workday.
that. I regret this.
On a workday, yeah?
Yeah. Maybe I just felt so good after the workout, so
What did you work out?
yeah, just it wasn't a big thing, just like, some cardio, some weights.
It helps having fingernails.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Oh, so it's a lot of glue there, yeah. This is where
You got it?
it's my first time when I see my baby.
Okay, so we have to remove these. We have to remove these three first, and then this one to get the battery and the screen on. And sometimes, if you can't remove it with the screwdriver, they also have a little tweezer to help you. And then there's
It's
one
really tiny thing.
Yeah, and then there's one more behind here. And then use the tweezers to, there's one more. one more screw that it's a star. So I have to find my star screwdriver. It fell. So this comes off. Now, the battery, you will first want to remove the battery. It's this one right here. It's like a little Lego. You just, it has a little connector here. And like that. And we're going to actually remove this screen as well. So remove all the connectors that go to the screen. And then this connector here. Okay. So with all that, you can see, you can remove the screen. And then we can, now, see, we have your replacement battery. And we just need to remove it and then put this one in.
So they use a lot of glue there, right? Like to
Yeah.
stick it. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we can put in the new battery. This little bump is at the bottom because you want to make sure that the glue goes over the camera. I think I need some scissors. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut off. Now we can put on the screen or very low power. I was downtown and I went to like a China Mobile and I was gonna ask how much they would have charged to repair it because he had all the equipment.
Yeah. Probably.
I
So what was the quote
so,
you got?
you know, I didn't ask though, but
Okay.
I wanted to. You know how much I found your battery for?
It wasn't expensive, right? Like it's
No. How much?
You paid like I think like 100 kwai, no?
Yeah. So I looked on my computer and it said 100 kwai, right?
Yeah.
112. But then on my phone I had a discount. I don't know why. Same store. It was like 68. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good deal. Oh, I need to scan your bag, but I need to turn on
No,
my
no.
phone.
Don't need. I'm just having fun. Oh. At your expense. You know what I mean? Okay. So I have everything connected. I think what I'm going to do is try to turn on the phone, and then if everything's okay, we'll screw it back together.
Mhm.
So it turns on. It's okay.
Okay.
So we just. Oh, did we record?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
recording.
So will it turn off? Oh, they give you 73%. So
Oh.
that's sometimes it's okay, but when you remove a battery, you want it low because it can catch fire, right? If it's damaged.
Okay.
And I kind of like.
Have you ever had a
hide it.
situation when battery like this got on fire?
No. That's why you ask them to make it low battery.
Yeah.
Okay. So, thank God it worked. Like nothing bad happened. I never had something happen, but you never know. It's small work, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Okay, so now we just do the screws. That's it. Let's pop this back in here. Man, I'm sweating. There you go. Okay, Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.